Welcome to Inset Data Bytes. Data Bytes is a weekly newsletter that brings to you best handpicked solutions and stories from all across the world in the field of data science, ML, and AI. In this week's edition of Data Bytes, here are our top 5 stories. Make sure to check out the links in description so that you get the full scope of every feature.
Welcome to 8th October 2020 video edition of Data Bytes newsletter. And the top 5 stories that we have for you this week are starting with top data science and AI books for 2020. We're sure that you have a lot of time in your hand now that we're way deep into the pandemic and there's no way we are getting out. So one of the best ways to utilize and build on your knowledge of data science is to delve deep into books. And this is very important as of now because this is the right time to be able to dive into something as complex and as deep as a book rather than paying attention to articles and videos that will only provide you a very superficial amount of knowledge. So what we've done is we've curated a list of 10 different books that you should be reading in the year 2020, and these are a mix of machine learning, AI, Python, and statistics. So make sure that you add this to your reading list and make sure that you check out the story as well. The next story that we have for you is top facts from a machine learning newbie. So the last week we introduced you to AI related FAQs that are being asked around. This week we are introducing you to machine learning related FAQs. So if you're a newbie who's just starting off in this space and you want to know in layman terms what are these different concepts that you should be aware of when you're even talking about machine learning to someone else, then this is your go-to article. We have answered different queries and different questions regarding machine learning to you, and check out this story in the earliest to know more about machine learning. The next story that we have for you is knowing the world of real data scientists, interviews, videos, and podcasts. This is also a listicle that we have prepared of different interviews, videos, and podcasts. This article is an umbrella article which will introduce you to different content that you should have in your bucket right now, and you should be exploring for furthering your information and knowledge about data science. So make sure that you check out this listicle as well. Some of these are very interesting videos and podcasts, and they are world famous, and we've provided links as well so that you can stimulate yourself with this article as well. The fourth story that we have for you is 4 types of roles in machine learning for 2020. So now when you say that you want to pursue a career in machine learning, what exactly are you looking at? What exactly are the major roles that are being hired for? And that's what we've done. We've introduced you to the 4 different kinds of roles: ML engineer, data scientist, ML scientist, and ML researcher. And we have explained in very basic layman terms what are the requirements of these jobs and what are these people actually doing day to day. So make sure that before you take a career decision, you have you make a more informed choice by going through the story. The spotlight story that we have this week is a non-programmer's perspective on data science. And one of our exceptional students, Arijit Chakrabarti, who's from the advertising field, has discussed how his experience was with Python coming from a totally non-technical background. So if you have any apprehensions in starting out in this field, and if you have any doubts, you can get it cleared from his experience. You can relate to his experience as well and see how he overcame any lack of confidence in his journey to data science. These are all the stories that we have for you this week. We'll be back next week with more such stories. Until then, keep watching.